Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel where we explore the latest and greatest in kitchen design and functionality. Today, we're diving deep into the world of low-arc kitchen faucets, also known as low-profile or low-neck faucets, are a popular style of kitchen faucet characterized by a shorter and more compact spout compared to their high-arc counterparts. Key features of low-arc kitchen faucets: compact design. Low-arc faucets typically have a shorter spout height, allowing them to fit into spaces with overhead cabinets or shelves. This design is advantageous in kitchens where a high-arc faucet might be impractical due to space constraints. Streamlined appearance. The low-profile design gives these faucets a sleek and modern appearance. They can contribute to a minimalist aesthetic in the kitchen, providing a clean and streamlined look. Ideal for double basin sinks. Low-arc faucets are often chosen for double basin sinks since the lower spout height allows for easier access to both sink compartments. This design facilitates a more efficient and convenient washing experience. Splash reduction. The lower arc of the spout helps in reducing water splashing, which can be particularly beneficial for shallow sinks. This feature is practical for keeping the surrounding countertop area dry and minimizing water mess. Versatility. Low-arc faucets are available in various styles, finishes, and configurations, making them versatile and suitable for different kitchen designs. They can be found in single handle, double handle, and pull out or pull down spray configurations. Easy to clean. The shorter spout makes low-arc faucets generally easier to clean. There are fewer nooks and crannies compared to high-arc models, making maintenance and cleaning more straightforward. Cost-effective. Low-arc faucets are often more budget-friendly than high-arc models. This can be an appealing factor for homeowners looking for an affordable yet stylish kitchen faucet option. Water conservation. Many low-arc kitchen faucets come with features like aerators that mix air with water to reduce overall water consumption. This contributes to water efficiency and conservation. Sleek and modern design, low-arc faucets have a clean and streamlined look that can complement contemporary kitchen styles. More clearance under cabinets. The lower profile of the faucet allows for more headroom under cabinets, which can be especially helpful in kitchens with low ceilings. Easier to clean. The shorter spout makes it easier to wipe down and clean the faucet. Less likely to interfere with pot lids. When filling tall pots or pans, the lower spout is less likely to get in the way of the lid. However, there are also some drawbacks to consider. Less reach. The shorter spout may not provide as much reach as a high-arc faucet, which can be inconvenient for filling large pots or cleaning dishes in deep sinks. Lower water pressure. Some low-arc faucets may have lower water pressure than high-arc faucets, which can be an issue if you need a strong spray for cleaning. In summary, low-arc kitchen faucets are a practical and stylish choice for kitchens with specific space considerations. Their compact design, ease of maintenance, and versatility make them a popular option for homeowners looking to balance functionality and aesthetics in their kitchen spaces. Ultimately, the decision of whether to choose a low-arc or high-arc faucet depends on your individual needs and preferences. Consider the factors mentioned above to make the best choice for your kitchen. Which of these faucets is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more kitchen inspiration. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.